Guys, as you can see, it's 4th May today, and the Uncover Alpha has finally been released, which can basically jailbreak any iOS device on any iOS version at the time of recording. And this iOS device is on the latest iOS version, that is 13.4.1 at the time of recording. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that this device is indeed on the latest iOS version, and I was able to jailbreak it using the latest version of the Uncover Alpha that I have installed on my device. As you can see, we have the version 13.x jailbroken, and basically this cydia is 100% functional. The only limitation at the time of recording is basically a lot of tweaks are not yet available for the latest iOS version, so hopefully they'll start dropping in a few days. But basically it's fine, you can go ahead and jailbreak your devices. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it without having to use a computer. Now this version of the Uncover, you can download it from your devices. Like if you have a computer, it's pretty easy to do using the cydia impactor, but I'm going to show you how you can do this without having to use cydia impactor using the OG Helper app, which basically seems to be the only app that has it signed at the moment. So I'm going to be going ahead and showing you exactly how to use the OG Helper to get the Uncover Alpha on your devices. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the OG Helper app from the device so I can exactly show you how to install it and get the Uncover Alpha. So without further ado, let's get right on with the video. So guys, before we can go ahead and download the OG Helper app on our iOS based devices so we can use it to download the Uncover Alpha app or any other tweaked applications on our device, the first thing we have to do is make sure our devices are ready for that. What I mean by that is simply making sure of a couple of settings before we download the applications. So the first one is going to be making sure we don't have an already existing version of the Uncover installed on our device other than the Uncover Alpha. So if you have any other version except for the Uncover Alpha installed on your iOS device, we're gonna have to go ahead and make sure we uninstall it from the device. And the way we do this is really simple. You can either go ahead and remove it directly from the device, or the better way out is you removing the profile. The way we do this is by simply opening up settings and scrolling down to the general settings. Simply go ahead and click on general. Once again, start scrolling down until you see profile and device management. If you don't see this option, you don't have to worry about this, but if you do, just go ahead and click on that. Now make sure you don't have anything here which says Uncover. As you can see, I have the Uncover app here, but this is the Uncover Alpha, so I'm not going to uninstall it. But if you have any other version of the Uncover under the profiles, simply go ahead and uninstall it from the device before we move on with the process. Once that's done, simply go ahead and exit out the settings app. The next thing we're going to do is make sure the background app refresh on our devices is set to the right option. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a setting on the iOS based devices which lets us install tweaked or modded apps like the OG Helper app or the Uncover app on our devices without having to jailbreak them. So the way we do this is really simple. Simply go ahead and click on settings. Once again, scroll down to the general option. Simply go ahead and click on that. Once again, start scrolling down until you see the background app refresh and go ahead and open that up. Now make sure the background app refresh on your iOS device is set to on. In case this option is not set to on, simply go ahead and tap on that and make sure you set it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now you can set it to Wi-Fi if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, but I recommend using Wi-Fi and mobile data just to be sure the OG Helper app can be added on our devices no matter what kind of internet connection we are connected to. Once that's done, the next thing we're going to do is simply go ahead and open up Safari and go to this website oghelper.net. Now make sure you get it right, it's oghelper.net. Once you're on the website, simply go ahead and click on the download app icon and it's going to open the download page. Once you're on the download page, all you have to do is go ahead and click on these options icon on your Safari browser. Now make sure you use Safari for this, no other browser will work, and simply click on the download icon, the options icon, and scroll down until you see add to home screen. So all you have to do is click on the add to home screen icon and wait for the OG Helper app logo to load up. Once it loads up, just go ahead and click on add. This will add the OG Helper app on our devices. Once we have the app installed, simply go ahead and open that up. Click on the Uncover Alpha Get and click on Get once again. And simply click on Allow and close. This will install the Uncover app on your devices. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you, in case you're using an older version of iPhone, how to do it on that. So all you're going to do, if you're using an older version of the iPhone, it's going to be a little different. You can hit the same options icon on the Safari browser, but instead of scrolling from down to up, you're going to go ahead and scroll down from right to left. So simply go ahead and scroll and click on Add to Home Screen, and simply do the exact same thing we did on the other iOS device. And once that's done, simply go ahead and open the Uncover app and click on Jailbreak. Once the device is jailbroken, simply click on OK and wait for the device to respring. Let's wait for that to happen real quick right here. And as you can see, the device is jailbroken. I mean, it was already jailbroken. I just jailbroke it. But that's how easy it is. If you have any questions regarding the whole process, you can go ahead and leave them down in the comments and I'll look into it. And with that, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.